Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share some packaging ideas. I made different kinds of soaps for a special festival coming up. It was a custom order by a customer, and I had a stamp made for this music score here, if I want to call it that way. This is my usual stamp with my logo on it, Sara soap. I have these made by a soap stamp maker from Germany. Very cool. Even if you are not in Germany, I think it's totally worth to work with him. Shipping is not so expensive because it is lightweight. It's just an acrylic block, and then he prints the whatever you want to have there as a stamp on this acrylic block. I also have a video dedicated to his process and how this goes. It takes about maybe 7 hours to make such a stamp, and I think it's beautiful. Then you use a rubber mallet and you tap it basically into the soap when it's freshly unmolded, I would say, or in my case that's what I'm doing. Because this is a cool stamp to look at, I didn't want to cover it with anything, so I went for a shrink wrap. This is just the usual shrink bags that you get. You add it. I then close it in the back with some sellotape. Very simple. You can also use an impulse sealer. And then with the heat gun, you just shrink it so that the packaging is nice and snug. Then I was thinking what to create with this. I also wanted the box to be like a see-through possibility, and this is a truffle box actually that I got from a local company that supplies chocolatiers with packaging for their handmade or small business chocolates, if you want to call it that way. And then I thought to add it in here, but if you just add it like this, it just go around, and also it doesn't look so nice. So I ordered a design paper block with some musical scores on it, and I thought this would be really great to add it to the soaps. It looks cool. You can find such things. I found mine on Amazon. It has different variations. So I thought that was super cool. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna just take one sheet out of here, and I'm not gonna bother to cleanly cut this because it adds to the vintage look of it. And then what I'm gonna do is just wrinkle it a little bit. Just like so. And then I'm gonna add it to the box. So my idea is not only to have this overall nice aesthetic fitting to the theme, so to speak, but also to act like a little cushion here around the soaps to make them stay a little bit in place. Let's see if this works out the way that I wanted. And this lady that ordered this soap, she said that somebody else that is also in the musical field wanted to have the samples because they are very interested too. So I'm making just a sample of each of the soaps so that she can show it to their colleagues. So here we go. This is one possibility. I think it's really cool and unique. And then I'm just going to add the label that I made for them. So I'm going to go ahead and add this label here to the side, like this. And then I'm going to add another sellotape here to the so that the package doesn't open. And this is how it turns out. I think it's really, really cute. The next series of soap for the same festival is a Baroque type soap, and I chose some nice color palettes based on paintings, you know, like a little bit oil paintings of the Baroque times, if you want to call it that way. It's a bit difficult, I think, as a theme, but I think it's great. And then for packaging, I was thinking a little bit, what can we do? And this is a cupcake or a bakery box with a window as well. It was important to me that you can see through actually the soaps. I think it's very important. These are very easy to assemble. Let's see if it's really easy for me to assemble before I say anything. Yeah, this one you want to go like this, and then you just easy assemble it. They are also not so expensive, so quite affordable. And then I wanted to do a set of 3, and then when put inside the box like this, it's great because you get to see the top with the swirl, and I think it's really nice and aesthetically pleasing. And then once you close the box, you see inside. It's a little bit reflecting, but I think you get the idea. I will also leave some links for different options, similar options that you will find in your area, because I'm here in Europe, so it needs to be something for your area so that you can, you don't have to pay a fortune for shipping. Then again, I have this label here, and what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna add it here to the bottom. And then this really fits to the Baroque theme. It's a little bit antique looking. So you would have the options of these 3 soaps here, or then the musical soaps. I think this is a great set to have. Then the third series of soap are tulips. This I did with a tulip mold that I got off of Amazon. Very simple, inexpensive mold, and I love this 3D look of the tulip. And this is how they turn out. I think it's great. I did different fragrances and different colors, and I liked the 3D mold very much, but then the question was, how do I package these? So then I had the idea to get these mini cupcake liners, or mini muffin liners, which I already have in another color. And then the customer wanted to have a green base, a little bit to emulate the color of the stems of the tulip. This fits exactly the size. So we have one pink, one yellow, always 2 kind of colors that I'm then gonna add into a cellophane bag. These are just self-sealing bags. It's not really needed to have self-sealing bags, but I have these at hand. And then again for the label, and let's see, you can also not put this if they don't want to, but I think it's good. So I'm just going to add the label here to the top, and this is how it turns out. All of them. The Baroque soap set, the music soaps nicely packaged, and the tulip soaps. So So I hope you enjoyed this video. Maybe you have some ideas what you can do for soap packaging. Is a little bit a different way than I usually do, but I think it's really cool to do the individual kind of packaging for special occasions, so to speak. I hope to see you in the next video, and until then, I wish you a wonderful day. Bye-bye.